Sounds will open doors for our binibinis. But behind closed doors are many heavy duties and responsibilities. Speaking from personal experience, I know that this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Now, let's turn to our final batch of Golden Binibinis and see if they are ready for this huge challenge.
Maris Ong, 21, from Isabela. 6 months old po ako. Yung biological parents ko, binigay ako or pina-adopt ako dun sa relative din po namin, which happened to be my tita. Since yung biological parents ko, they thought that I was dying, so kailangan nila akong ipa-adopt para mapagamot ako. Yung tita ko na yun, nung ikakasal na siya, kailangan niya ulit ako ibigay since mas may bago na siyang responsibility, like magkakaroon na rin siya ng bago niyang pamilya. So, ang nag-adopt sa akin is family friend nung tita ko rin. Blessing in disguise na rin yung pagpapaampon sa akin kasi kung hindi ako pinaampon, hindi ako makakatapos ng pag-aaral ko.
Mucha Johanna Datol, 20 taong gulang mula sa Santa Maria, Isabela.
Yung mother ko po, meron siyang kasi yung bone marrow transplant. Kasi sabi niya, kailangan na po siyang transfer. Hindi na po siya nagpo-produce ng red blood cells. Ang pera na kailangan daw po namin is 1 milyon. Isan po kami kukuha ng ganung pera. Sunod-sunod talaga yung problema. 2011, sa mother ko nagkasakit. 2012 na accidental fire yung father ko sa paa. So, dalawa silang nangailangan ng gamot. Kaya yun po, yun yung nagtulak sa akin na magsikap. Na kailangan kong lahat ng mga sobrang pagsubok sa buhay, kailangan kong kakayanin.
Helen Cruz Villanueva, 20, from North Sagaray, Bulacan. Mahilig po akong sumali ng mga pageant sa kadahilan ng gusto ko pong makatulong sa aking magulang. Kasi ang aking ama hindi na po siya makapagtrabaho dahil sa nangyari pong na aksidente po ang kanyang kamay. Ang aking mama naman po ay kahit bata pa sa edad na 42, di na po siya makapagtrabaho dahil sa kanyang high blood. Kaya po, sumasali po ako para yung mapapanalunan ko po, tinutulong ko po sa akin, sa pagkain, sa pag-aaral po ng aking mga kapatid. Kahit hindi ko na po maabot yung pangarap ko bilang flight attendant, para sa akin na lang po, gusto ko po yung kahit pa paano yung mga kapatid ko makapag-aral.
Ara Arida, 24 years old, from Alaminos, Laguna. All throughout my life, siguro until I finished college, my focus was really studies. Since nga my parents are both teachers, they really expect me to finish college muna before I would do anything. This designer from my town, nilapitan niya ako, tapos gusto niya akong isali sa isang beauty pageant. And then, as in, kinausap niya yung parents ko, pumunta sa bahay, tapos sobrang hindi pumayag yung parents ko. Tapos ayun, sabi nila na hintayin na lang daw na magtapos ako ng college. Actually, hindi pa rin sila payag sa akin. Pero sabi ko naman sa sarili ko, parang I did my part already na I got my degree. So, it's now my time to fulfill what my dream really is. Ito talaga yung gusto ko, yung pageant.
I'm Jacqueline Alexandra Aberilla Mayoralgo, 24, from Makati City. Growing up, I was born pigeon-toed, pike talaga. So, my mom, she really encouraged me to really get strength from my legs. Kasi before, pag naglalakad ako, I'd really trip. As in, not one of my finest moments at all. I'd trip or I'd finish last sa swimming pool. Palagi akong last. Tapos my mom encouraged me to get into sports. Yun, nag-strengthen yung legs ko. She made me take ballet, taekwondo, swimming. Before talaga, pag last ako sa swimming pool, syempre masama yung pakiramdam ko kasi when you're last, parang you really have to learn to strive to excel. Dapat may 100 million% effort ka.
I'm Rhea Nakpil, 23, San Mateo, Rizal. I think this is one of the ways of coming back and telling people that na hindi lang naman ako for showbiz, that I can do something else, which is this, joining pageants. This is actually my first pageant ever. Kasi I was, nag-aaral ako, kaka-graduate ko lang last year. Pag-graduate ko, I decided to join, change of career path. Tsaka bakit mali mo dito ako belong? I think everything that we're doing is a learning point. Meeting new friends is the same, and also it's a competition. Yun nga lang, sa talent search kasi before, sobrang bata ko pa noon. I was just playing. This time, it's serious na. Ngayon, fight na kung fight.
My name is Gabrielle Monique Basson Renström. I'm 19 years old and from Las Piñas. My father raced in boats, motorcycles, and cars. And we used to have this whole shelf full of like trophies from racing. My brothers raced in boats, and me, I raced go-karts. Filipinos have always been very family-oriented. I think I kept that from my mom. She always raised me that she'd respect the elders and take care of one another. I've always been a very shy person, not willing to see what's new. I wanted to take Binibining Pilipinas as an opportunity to expand my horizons and become a more confident person.
I'm Imelda Schweithart. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Puerto Princesa City. I grew up in a farm in a province where I helped my mom to plant our daily source of food, mga kamatis, sibuyas, bawang. I want to earn. I want to help my family. I know it's cliche, but that's the truth. I want to help my mom, and I think the only job I can do is be an actress. In the industry, there's a lot of temptation. I think it's about indecent proposals. I'm a part of it. I'm a part of that industry na may mga magte-take advantage talaga. And I'm glad to say that I didn't. And I'm proud that I've survived. Kahit na naghihirap ako, kahit na nag-jeep ako, kulang na pamasahe ko, nagmamakaawa na lang ako, na parang kuya, wala po akong pamasahe, wala akong kikitain sa isang araw. I'm proud to say na hindi ako nag-give in.
I'm Amanda Navacero, 21, from Makati City. My mom's a professional photographer, so ever since I was a little kid, my mom and I would go to all around the Philippines to conduct photo workshops where we take certain photographers to different places such as like Bohol, Masbate, Laguna Loop, and now, of course, Batanes. She has inspired me to take photography. I like taking pictures of people, mga landscape. Capturing beauty in my lens is a passion, kahit sa mga festivals. Gusto ko po yung laughter ng tao, yung candid. Pag nakikita mo, tapos nagtatawanan sila, kahit behind ka the camera, you can capture that moment.
My name is Ayana Camille Mikuix, also known as AJ, 23, from the province of La Union. I never imagined in my lifetime that I would be active in pageants and stuff. My original career goal was to just come back here for college. Once I'm done, go back to the States and do military. So it was really like a big adjustment, and naging plan B na yung plan A ko for career-wise na ever since after my first pageant. Whenever I win, like, that there's money, so I'm like, I need money to get, like, buy a new cell phone, laptop. Dun po ako na it's another way to help my mom out with yung bayad po sa pag-aral ko, ganun. Whenever I join a pageant, I act as if it's my first pageant, through the dieting, exercise, you know, getting enough rest. It's the same. I don't treat it any differently.
I'm
Angeli Gomez. I'm 19 and I represent the province of Cebu. Back in high school, I played soccer and a little bit of volleyball and basketball and a lot of badminton also, but just as a hobby. I started horse riding when I was 11 years old. Also, I started doing flow arts about 2 years ago. It's a good workout. It's like dancing, but you don't have to really know dance moves. You just have to know how the object you're flowing with flows. Patience was something that I've never been so good at, but when it comes to learning something new, you have to be patient with it.
Kim Martuga, 22, Cebu City. When I was in third year, I stopped college because of family reasons, financial reasons. And so I thought that it would be the end. I thought that my world would stop. I don't know what to do. Because all my life, I wanted to finish school. And after 1 year of stopping from school, I went back. And then I graduated as cum laude. So I just want to be an inspiration to women. I want to lead them by example. That no matter what happens to you, if you have full conviction and if you have the heart to achieve one dream, then nothing else is impossible.
Maria Cristina Ann Pascual, 21 years old, from Taytay, Rizal. Nakatira po ako sa isang police camp sa Taytay po kasi yung father ko po is retired police officer, tas yung lolo ko po is retired military. Nung lumaki po ako sa paligid ng mga police, yung mga nagtitraining, gusto ko lagi napiplease yung parents ko. Parang ayoko na may masasabi silang negative about me. Katulad nung college kasi ini-aim ko talagang mag-cum laude. So, yung grades ko talaga mini-maintain ko hanggang sa dumating yung point na nahihirapan ako. Tapos parang feeling ko na-disappoint ko sila nung hindi ko na-reach yung goal na yun. Para sa akin, kahit papaano okay pa rin. Kasi at least hindi ako nag-fail, parang nakagraduate pa rin ako. Which is, masaya ako as naging happy rin yung mga parents ko about it. Yun lang naman yung pinakamahalaga, yung masuklian mo yung mga mabubuting binibigay nila sa akin.
You're all doing great, Beanie Beanies. I just hope that you are all truly enjoying this golden road to the crown experience. As long as you just keep listening to your mentors, learning from every experience that you have, I know that win or lose, you will all become better Beanie Beanies after this pageant. So now that we've met all of these 50 beautiful ladies up close and personal, it's now time for the much-awaited Q&A workshop with, you guessed it, the Karina Sanchez. Now it's coming up right after this, so